Exciting announcement for Divi Form Builder users. We now have a new feature, PDF Generator. It's packed into Divi Form Builder and ready to go. With PDF Generator, you can turn your forms into PDFs. This is simple, yet has countless applications. You can do things such as invoices, receipts, quotations, all similar things really. Contract signing with our digital signature field, event ticketing, so you can create tickets for events. I mean, the possibilities are endless. It's up to you guys to see how you can use it. I'm just going to run through very quickly on how to use the PDF generator. I believe it's one of the only form plugins that has a drag and drop editor. This makes it a lot more complicated for us, but we are committed to making it work for you. Instead of just using default templates, you can design exactly how you want your PDFs to be. Let's jump in. So in our new settings, we have a section here, PDF editor. At the moment it's in beta. At some point it'll come out of beta. You can just click add new, or you can edit an existing one. Let's just go edit one that I've already made. This will open up a drag and drop editor. It uses a library, so yeah, it's really good. We have a lot of fields on the side of here, so you can use text. This is called multi-variable text. It's like text area, image, table. There's a line divider, some shapes, date. Actually, I want to put the date on here because we need the date. So let me just drag the date onto here, just show you how it works. You can actually pop into full screen mode, which is quite nice. So I've put date there. I'm just going to actually align this on the right. Text align it. So actually, I'm going to put this. Sorry, I know I'm improving here a little bit, but I'm just going to put the date above the signature. So what I've done here is I've just created a simple contract. It's a fake contract obviously, but you can use it for your web design needs. So let's say you enter into a contract to design a website and you need your customer to sign it. Before you would have to use something like Adobe Sign, or you'd have to manually do it. With this, you can just get them to sign it. So we have the terms and conditions, the date, the name, email, and a signature field, and I'll show you that in a minute. Exit full screen. I'm just going to save this. So the first thing you want to do is to head over to the form. Here I've created a form in Divi Form Builder 5. Divi 5. So here I have a form. I've created form fields, and I've done terms and conditions, which is it's a content field type. So I've just added the terms and conditions for the user to look at, and then name, email, signature. So those are my three fields. In here I've defined names, so IDs for the field, so name, email, and then signature. Those are IDs to use on the PDF editor. So I've done that. On my form, I've also enabled PDF generation. I've enabled that. There's lots of different things you can do here. So the first thing is you can choose the template that you've made for this form. Attach it to emails. So you can choose, okay, I want to attach it to both emails, just the confirmation or just the notification. The file name, you can change it to whatever you want to call it. Paper size, orientation. You can add a watermark text if you want, or a password. Document numbering, so this is quite useful if you have something like invoicing or quoting. You can just add the invoice number. If you want to change the file name, yeah, so you basically just invoice it, but to actually change the name, so let's say I want it to be called, invoice 1, invoice 2, invoice 3, you would just add this % PDF invoice number % to the file name. So PDF blah 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 blah, and that will, or you could add to the engine, then % PDF. So this gives you kind of flexibility on the file name. Just going to leave it as it is really, to be honest, for now. You can choose to store the PDFs permanently or just have a temporary download. If it's temporary, what happens is when the next person comes, it'll replace it. So it'll constantly just be one file saved and it'll just be replaced. I've chosen to store this permanently because it's a signature, it's a document, so I want to store it. I also want to have enable PDF download link. This is unlike the notices. You could have a download link, just add the percent, the merge tag of PDF download link to it. I've done that already in the notices, so you can see I've just said thanks for signing, and there's the download link. Okay, so the main thing to remember is your field names. So email, signature. I've added those field IDs to the different fields. Now if I head over to my editor, I love full screen, so going back to full screen, you can see I'm using the same merge tags. So I've done name, and then I've done, percent, name, percent, email, the same thing. You can add your merge tags either like this, name, or you can just add it as, so you can do it like that, or you can just keep it like this if you want in the name section. So I've just gone for signature over here, name, email. So it's very simple. You just add your merge tags into the form, and you can use it for image uploads. What's actually nice is we've actually integrated with the Divi, with the library, so you can actually just open the media library and I'm just going to delete that. So anyway, so you can use the media library to add images, add shapes, design your PDF how you want. Okay, so we've created our PDF, we've added the merge tags on the PDF, we've created the form, we've added merge tags on the form, we've enabled PDF generator, we're good to go. So now we're going to head over to the form, take a look at it. So here we are, just reload this page. I'm just going to check it out. Terms and conditions, great, that's brilliant, makes a lot of sense. So John Doe at gmail.com, and I'm just going to do a crazy signature over here, and I want to submit. Okay, so it's submitted. You can see it's got the download link, so I'm just going to download that, save it. Okay, now here we go. Let's open it up. Let's check it out. Here we go. So we have the dates, John Doe, email, and the signature, all on the form, ready to go. Amazing, isn't it? The other thing you can do is, because I have it as so it's storing the documents permanently, you can head over to your PDF documents, open that up, and you can see I've got some submissions over here already. You can download, you can delete, you can manage all your PDF stored permanently. So that's it. The new feature from Divi Form Builder, PDF generator, coming your way. Create PDFs, drag and drop exactly how you want it to be. Use merge tags to define where the fields on the form go. And now it's up to you guys. I'd love to see what you can create. This isn't beta at the moment of recording this video, so if there's any bugs you get, the main bugs, I'm just going to be honest with you, might be between the editor and the PDF. Now, just not to get too deep into it, but the editor is using JavaScript. The PDF uses PHP to generate the PDF. We can't use JavaScript to generate the PDF, so you have kind of two different languages talking to each other. And there's going to be some differences in the way that it interprets the position on the PDF. It's not as simple as it sounds. So there might be some issues in terms of spacing, and we can get around that. So any feedback on maybe positioning or something like that, styling, get in touch and we can make this better. Really, I've done some testing, our team's done some testing, but the best thing to do is to start using it on real life examples as you guys do. Push that feedback to us and we'll get it sorted and make it better. So really excited about this. Hope you love it. Let us know what you think in the comments and what else you would love to see from us. Have a great day. Stay safe.